Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Liaquat. Ahlan wa sahlan. Marhaban. Welcome to this lesson. We are going through Muta'lliq. So we've done one lesson so far. This is the second lesson now. So the example for today is سمعت الكلب من البستان. Okay, سمعت الكلب من البستان. So, what does this sentence actually mean? So, to understand this sentence, we need to understand where the muta'alliqs go. So, سمعت الكلب من البستان. Right, so this min, if we make it muta'alliq to سمعت, what this basically means is that, imagine this is a garden. Right, so it's got some nice trees there. And I was actually standing in the garden. So I'm actually standing in the garden. So سمعت من البستان, I heard from the garden. Al-kalb, the dog. So in other words, the sound of the dog. So let's say we don't know where the dog is. Where is the dog? We don't know. Dog could be in the garden. It could be outside the garden. But the sound of the dog has reached me. And whilst I was in the garden. So سمعت من البستان, I heard from the garden. سمعت من البستان, I heard from the garden. So in other words, whilst I was in the garden, the sound of the dog came to me. So dog could be in the garden or outside. So this is one possibility, right? The other second possibility in this sentence is if we make min muta'alliq to kalb, right? Make min muta'alliq to kalb. So if we make min muta'alliq to kalb, right, then what it's going to actually mean is I heard the dog which is from the garden. I heard the dog which is from the garden, right? So for example, like imagine that there is a garden over here. Again, this is some trees. So there is a dog and it's making noise. And there's also another dog, not in the garden, somewhere else. And he's also making noise. So what did I hear? So we don't know where I am. I could be anywhere. So let's say, for example, I'm somewhere over here. So the sound of the dog reached me. سمعت, I heard. What did I hear? I heard the dog. Which dog? This one or this one? Or the one from the garden. Yeah, al-kalb min al-bustan, the one from the garden. Now, the one from the garden can also, doesn't necessarily mean that the dog is in the garden, because it doesn't say fi. It can actually mean, let's say for example, like there's no dog here. This dog actually normally belongs to this garden, right? So normally this dog is in this garden, but for some reason it's escaped. So the dog that's from this garden, I heard that dog. Where did I hear it? I don't know. So you see what happens over here. You have the different possibilities of where this muta'alliq is connected to, where it goes back to. So, like I said, this is extremely important if you really want to try and understand how to translate verses and understand mufassirin like Ruh al-Ma'ani and others. Then you need to really understand, I would say, this concept of muta'alliq, where the prepositions are connected to. Jazakallah khair. If you guys enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe, share. Thank you very much to all my patrons, all you guys' support. Thank you very much. Really means a lot to me. If you guys want to support my channel and become a patron, help my channel grow, then check out the description. Details are there. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullah khair for watching this video. I hope to see all of you guys. If you guys are interested, please leave us feedback, get in contact with us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.